Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw slippery soap from Blue's Clues. So grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to draw a rectangle. So we're going to draw a nice rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect. With a nice round edge. And this is going to be very fast. And right above the rectangle, we're going to draw a soap bubble. Yeah. And at the bottom, we can draw a few other little bubbles next to them. Just random soap bubbles. And we're going to draw a little arm out and take the arm back. And on this side, let's do the same thing. You're just going to draw a little arm out like this, extending out. And then there's 3 fingers. There's 1, 2, 3 fingers back to the arm. There we go. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. 3 fingers. Perfect. Let's draw the eyes now. So you're going to draw nice ovals, big oval eyes. 2 next to each other. Doesn't have to be the same size. And then of course we're going to draw 2 little light reflections. And let's fill the eyes in. Right on top of the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. 2 eyebrows, and we're going to fill the eyebrows in as well. 2 eyebrows, there we go. And now for a little smile. So we're going to draw the smile a little bit skew, like this, and just at the bottom. There we go, and there's a beautiful little smile. And now we can draw a little inside edge of slippery soap. There we go. Okay. And there's slippery soap. That was very quick, and I'm sure you would agree it's not that hard. And now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure your slippery soap will look absolutely amazing. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. Thank you for drawing with me. And please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.